Hey friends, hope you're all well. Today we are learn how to change any t-shirt color. This is very easy and fast way, so let's come to the point. Fast open your image. Remember it, if you make better selection then you will get good results. So, now I chose quick selection tool, but I prefer must select pen tool because that's provide smooth results. Now selection carefully. Then go to select menu, modify to expand selection. 10 pixel perfect then OK. Now open layer panel, choose hue and saturation. Follow this step. Have a look and see the final results. Hope you like. If it was helpful then share the video, and have any questions feel free to express your opinion in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe button. Take care, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.